Hi family, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you all how you can make your own fenugreek hibiscus leave-in spray that serves as not just a leave-in and also a very good detangler. So if you want to know that, please do well to watch to the end of the video. And please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you are new here, you're welcome. My name is Muna and my channel is all about natural hair, feminine hygiene and beauty. So do well to join the family by pressing the red subscription button because you're going to be loving it here. And please do not forget to press the bell button. So the first ingredient I'm going to be using here is my fenugreek, and I'm going to be using 1/8 cup of fenugreek seed. Fenugreek is a rich source of vitamin A, K, and C. It also contains folic acid, potassium, calcium, iron, and also loaded with protein and lecithin, which are essential nutrients for hair growth. Fenugreek also promotes healthy scalp environment, which contributes to hair growth. I'm also going to be topping it up with 3 rose petals to this mixture. Rose has a very good benefit for our hair. It conditions the hair. It also helps with dandruff. So adding rose and fenugreek together, you know that we are creating a very good environment for our scalp. So if you're having any issues with scalp irritation, then fenugreek is your go-to. So I'm going to be shaking both mixtures together, shake it thoroughly, shake it very, very well. And then I'm going to be leaving this fenugreek and rose petal mixture. I'll leave it now to steep for 24 hours. I'll leave it to steep for 24 hours. Then the next day, we're going to come back to it. So now, good morning. This is the next morning. So I'm going to be preparing the other part of our recipe. And the first thing I'm going to be doing now is putting my black tea into my bowl. Black tea has natural properties that help block DHT that are responsible for hair shedding. The next thing then I'll be adding is hibiscus. If you don't know, hibiscus is also known as zobo here in Nigeria. Hibiscus is rich in flavonoids and amino acids, and flavonoids enhance blood circulation to our hair follicles. And not only that, it also helps to do what? To resurrect dormant hair follicles. And hibiscus also stimulates hair growth, serve as a very good conditioner, and also helps with hair loss. And it also prevents graying and add volume and thickness to your hair. So I've mixed my hibiscus and my black tea together. I will cover it and allow it to steep for about 30 to 45 minutes before using it. So then I'm coming back now to my fenugreek and rose petal mixture. This is the next morning. So this is how it's looking. The color has changed to golden color, and then you can see the rose petals in there. I'm going to be sieving this out. This fenugreek, hibiscus, and black tea hair spray or leave-in mixture, it's a must try. So I'll be sieving it now. So if you've been having issues with dandruff and if you've been having issues with retaining moisture, then this fenugreek hibiscus mixture is for you. And if you've also been having issues with excessive hair shedding, the addition of this black tea to it tops it up more. So it's now giving us what we call strength, moisture, and less breakage. So you see that now. It's a complete combo for what? For hair growth. So I've sieved them up now. Please let me know in the comment section if you have ever tried using these 3 combo: fenugreek hibiscus spray or fenugreek hibiscus black tea leave-in spray and detangler. Let me know in the comment section. So now I'm gonna be checking on my hibiscus and my black tea. If Let me see how far it has tips. So we've left it on now. I left it to steep for about 30 minutes and you can see the color change. Looking so red. This is like zobo. So I'm going to be sieving it off now. I'm going to be sieving off the hibiscus and black tea now mixture. into my glass jar like so. Fenugreek and hibiscus living spray is one thing that has really helped me. I've been trying this behind camera, so that is why I'm coming here now to share this with you. But there is one more recipe. There is one more thing I'm going to be adding into the spray that has made it very, very effective. You need to add it if you really want it to be 100% effective. And I'll be showing you all that very soon. Just keep watching. So, I've been using this as one of my effective detangling mixture. I've been using it to detangle my hair as well. So now this is the king of the show, and that is MSM. I'll be adding MSM now. MSM is known as a sulfur-rich compound with anti-inflammatory properties, and I added 1/4 teaspoonful of MSM. And according to research, MSM sulfur can form bonds essential to strengthening hair and influencing hair growth. And also, research also shows that MSM is effective when it comes to hair growth and length retention. Why? Because MSM helps to do what? It helps to elongate or lengthen the anagen phase during the hair cycle. The anagen phase is the growth phase, right? So MSM helps to do what? Increase that growth phase. So that will help you do what? That will help your hair grow longer and then help you retain more length. So adding MSM to this mixture makes it a top notch, or takes it from, let's say, 70% to 100%. So I'm gonna be adding now. I've added everything. I'm putting them now into my spray bottle. So I'll be putting it into my spray bottle now like so. This fenugreek hibiscus hairspray or detangler has been a game changer to me. I usually have excessive hair shedding before, but ever since I started using this, not only strengthening my strands, it helps me with detangling my hair, and also I use it to, after twisting my hair feels so bouncy, moisture for days. So after spraying it as a leave-in, the fenugreek hibiscus leave-in spray, after spraying it on my strands, then I'll go ahead to use my butter or my oil. So if you want to know how to make the butter, do well to click on the cards above. And also, in my next video, I'll be sharing with you all how I make my shea butter, the best way you can do your own shea butter. So I'll be talking about that in the next video. So do well to press the red subscription button, subscribe if you are not yet subscribed, so you don't miss out on that video. So it's application time. I'm going to be applying fenugreek hibiscus detangler now on my strands. So I left my hair in chunky twists because that's actually my signature style. So I love leaving my hair in chunky loose twist. So I'll be spraying the mixture now on my strands. Pay attention to your roots and also your ends. Apply it also on your scalp as well, your ends, because the ends of our hair are the oldest parts, so they also need that to benefit from all these nutrients as well. So apply it on your scalp and massage it thoroughly on your scalp like so, because fenugreek helps with treating scalp issues. Fenugreek is one of the most effective herb when it comes to scalp issues. Fenugreek is number one. Apply it also on your edges too. I apply it on your edges. Your edges should not be left out. Apply it too. And then finger detangle. Use your finger to detangle gently. You can see the slip already. You can see the slip already. So then finger detangle. So do some finger detangling like so. So please let me know in the comment section if you have ever tried the fenugreek hibiscus spray before, and let me know your thoughts on MSM too at the same time. And also do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, like and share this video with your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell button so you don't miss out on any of my natural hair videos, hygiene and beauty videos as well. So now I'm going to be twisting up my hair like so. I'll twist it up after detangling with my fenugreek hibiscus hair leave-in, fenugreek hibiscus leave-in and detangler. Then I'm going to be twisting it down. So it's actually very slippery, very. So, yeah. So I did another chunky twist. You can see how my hair is looking. You can see that fluffy, bouncy look that is giving my hair. Just take a look. They go to wow. So thank you all so much for watching my video. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the love. I appreciate every bit of it. Thank you so much. See you all in the next video. Bye.